Hey folks, what I've done here is just added some leaf mulch with grass clippings around the base of our Musa basjoo clump. These ones here and these ones, I also did an application of leaf mulch and grass clippings late spring. So that was the last grass mowing here on Salt Spring Island. Would have been probably beginning of June. And we don't mow all summer because the irrigations are turned off in our park because of the level 4 water restrictions. So we had a little bit of rain. It started to green things up. Grass is growing, so we got to keep mowing. And what I do, I use bagger lawnmowers, both of us, the parks guys. And we bag it up, sucks up the leaves, mixes it with the grass clippings. I bring it home in buckets and I dump it around these Musa basjoo bananas. It's an awesome mulch. It rots down. I also add seaweed. I'm going to go to the beach this weekend, grab some seaweed. You can add bagged steer manure. Buy that at the grocery store or the nursery. Throw that around there too. They're heavy feeders. Do this throughout the year. Doesn't have to be done at a certain time of the year. You can do it throughout the year. Like I say, they will soak it up and eat it up and keep them watered well. And you will also have 17 feet tall bananas. That's what these are, 17 feet tall at least right now. Another clump here. And it is like a jungle of bananas in here. So I always keep them well fed, well mulched, and they'll continue to grow for you. So like I say, go for it, folks. Any time of the year. Throw that mulch around the base of the bananas and they will be happy campers. All right, thanks for watching and happy banana growing.